Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best tools and gear in the market so you can make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best motorcycle lift jack stand hydraulic available right now, the Vevor motorcycle lift. If you're a rider who does your own maintenance or detailing, you already know the struggle of propping up your bike safely. But that ends now. This lift is built to handle a serious workload. With a load capacity of 1,100 pounds, it confidently supports most street bikes, cruisers, and touring motorcycles. So whether you're rolling out a Harley, a Goldwing, or a sport bike, this lift can take it. Let's talk ease of use. The Vevor lift is operated by a simple crank handle that's detachable for storage. No need for a power source or complicated hydraulic pumps. Just a smooth and controlled manual lift from 3.7 inches up to 13.8 inches. That gives you enough clearance to clean, inspect, or repair with ease. The construction is solid steel, not aluminum or some cheap alloy. And you feel that quality the moment you set it up. It weighs in at 26 pounds, and once it's down flat, it only takes up 3.7 inches in height. So storing it is no hassle at all. Toss it under your workbench, slide it behind a cabinet, it disappears until you need it. Now, one of the standout features is the extra-wide top deck. Measuring 14.4 by 9 inches, the platform is fitted with a thick rubber pad that not only protects your bike's frame from scratches but also gives it a non-slip surface. That means more stability while you work and less worrying about accidental movement. Safety is clearly a priority here. The steel X-frame design and a 6-position safety locking pin keep your bike stable at various heights. Whether you're draining oil or adjusting chain tension, this thing stays rock solid under load. And when the work is done, folding it back down is just as easy. Thanks to its powder-coated finish, it resists oil, grease, and rust. So cleanup takes seconds, and it's ready for the next job. The Vevor motorcycle lift doesn't come with casters, which actually enhances stability on most garage floors. Less shifting, more lifting, and that's exactly what you want in a dependable jack stand. As for dimensions, it's a compact 18.1 inches long, 11 inches wide, and 3.9 inches high when closed. That's a garage-friendly footprint if there ever was one. It's easy to use, built like a tank, compact for storage, and stable under real-world loads. For any DIY bike owner, it's a game-changer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. Until next time, keep your tools sharp and your rides smoother.